All right, so we have a pretty deep crease on a 2018 Toyota Sienna, and we're going to repair this without having to paint this hood or the vehicle, without changing anything. We're going to use a method that's called Paintless Dent Repair, and we're going to make this look like it never happened. So stick around, stay tuned. I'll show you a little bit about our process and what it takes to achieve great results. All right, so we are measuring up this damage and seeing exactly what we have to do in order to repair it and exactly how much it's going to cost to do it. So we have our light board on it, using it to show us exactly what's going on. Shed some light on if there's some more damage, and actually there's a little bit up in this corner too that we're going to fix as well. So stick around and I'll show you a little bit about what we do. So show you underneath, you can actually see the damage on the back side of the hood, so that's how you know it's deep. So, give you some insight into what I'm doing in here, kind of rolling the crease out. So let's do it from the outside. Yeah, it's hard to do this on video. Alright, and here's another in-process shot for you. Still got a decent amount to go there. But, yeah, we'll keep on pushing. Alrighty, got this hood repair all wrapped up. Looks great. Pan around, try to show you some angles. Show you a bit of a light that shows all too. So really happy with this repair. Very deep damage, but we were able to get it out, get it flat, get it perfect again. Thanks for watching. Please reach out if you have any questions.